Sent off. Oh, great start for Tasha Gordon. Marquise Page slightly back with work to do. Gordon in front. Here comes Page. Wright is also running well. Page ahead of Gordon. 13:35. Marquise Page celebrates a fine victory. There shall be no denying him now. Didn't get to compete at the Carifta Games, but he wins the National Under-20 title, and he's on his way to Eugene.
That looks like Mr. Broadbell, Maurice Broadbell, who greets him. Neil Gordon, Tasha Neil Gordon from KC in lane 4 said, "This is it, I'm in it to win it." But Marquise Page says, "I don't care if you guys are class 1 and I'm class 2, I'm going to find a way to win it." And he does it after hurdle 10. I think that Neil Gordon stepped down on hurdle 10 first. Here the focus there on Marquise Page behind Tasha Neil Gordon from Kingston College. And Neil Gordon looks great, but Marquise Page joins him, steps down off hurdle 10 right here, and it's a race from hurdle 10 to the finish line that Marquise Page is able to win.
And even then, over the last couple of hurdles, Page a little high over the hurdle, so he has so much room to improve. The sprinter versus the quarter hurdler, off the last hurdle, you'll naturally pick the sprinter.
That coach greeting him, Maurice Broadbell, let me say it again so that you know, is Rashid Broadbell's father.
Positive 1.8 meters per second. The wind speed. Marquise Page wins 13:34. Tasha Neil Gordon 13:37. Noel Wright with a big personal best 13:55. Jibison is fourth, like he was at Champs, 13:67.
Yeah, 13:37 for Tasha Neil Gordon now ties him with Demario Prince on the Jamaican all-time list.
And the reason you mentioned that is because Demario Prince is about to perhaps win the very next race on this track.